It's time to sing that fat lullaby.
Rock a ball, baby. 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 Rock a ball.
Hola! What's up, guys? Small box, but good box. Quick thing like that, when you give in life, life gives back to you. And recently, I went for a course to sculpt some masks and stuff. And once I got there, I had to go on couch surfing because my friend had dogs and I couldn't sleep there. So I just found someone who basically gave me his couch for free, and I stayed a few days at his house for free. And I've always taken couch surfers, and this week was my turn to give back. And these two guys are traveling from Anchorage, Alaska, all the way down to Mexico in a camper, and they're from Austria. But these guys are like absolute nerds, man, and they're super fucking cool. So what happened is that they did all my LED lighting and all my cabinets. It's something that I would have died if I had to do alone, and they did an amazing job. So give in life and you'll get some in return, you know what I mean? So let's just open this box. This box is from Chainsaw Chainsaw Graphics. Sorry about that. And I'm supposed to have a something that I'm not sure, but I think I'm the first one to order from the site. They were pre-ordered, and I think he sent me the first copy. I'm not sure though, so we'll see. As usual, well packaged. Jesus Christ. So yeah, let's check this out. See what it looks like. I have a lot of stuff from that I ordered from him. The only problem is not what it's not the products itself. It's the time that it takes to ship out here. For some reason, it takes always like 3 weeks to get something, and it really makes me go crazy. Oh, he gave me a little freebie. This was a test for a new plate I'm working on. Thought you would like it, Neil. So we'll see how this plate looks. Neil, if you're watching this, if I do an order of I don't know, 4 plates or more, throw 1 or 2 more of these, because as soon as I drop one, they break. And just for further reference for other customers also, just in case, just put an extra clip, because they're hard to glue back together. So yeah, these plates look amazing. Here I have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Friday the 13th, first one. The thing is, I forgot what I was gonna say, but yeah, the thing is that I really like everything Neil does, and I always like order in small batches, because how life goes and you don't always have money. But I want to show every one of his plates in one display, like with all of my busts. So that's why I'm not doing any videos with the actual busts until they're all done. So here we have a beautiful piece that I am gonna show you guys right now. Looks awesome, even through the saran wrap. So yeah, I think I'm the first one to get this. So pretty excited. beautiful. So I don't know if you guys see with the glare, but this is awesome. This is a plaque with a Excalibur chainsaw from part 3.
Introducing the new Infinity
Beautiful. Really, really, really love it. Wow. This is crazy detailed, and I can't wait to put it up. Thank you so much, Neil. I mean, you do awesome work, and literally, I am dying to show you my displays, and soon I will. On this, thank you so much for watching, guys. This was from Chainsaw Graphics. You can reach Neil on Facebook. I always leave a link, but just type in Chainsaw Graphic on Facebook and you will find him. He's got a store, he's got good prices, and the material is always fantastic. So thank you, guys, and we'll see you soon. Yeah.